Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a few different ways of how to share a video or a sound recording to Teams. Now if one way doesn't work, then that's okay, just try a different way. This can be a little tricky, but keep trying, and if you still have trouble, then leave a comment below and I'll try and help you out as best I can. So the first way that we're going to go through is on a phone, because I think most of us are using phones to do our music recordings. So if you don't already have the Teams app on your phone or your tablet, you can go to the App Store, or if you're on an Android, this will be the Play Store, and type in Teams. And this is the app that we want to download. So if you don't have it, click the download button that'll be over here. But because I've already downloaded it, it's got an open option for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it from here. And you just need to sign in the same usual way with your school email address and your password. And once you've signed in, you'll see all the teams that you're already a member of. So most of you will just have one. So after this, we can close the Teams app. And the easiest way to share a video to your class's team is to go and find that video on your phone first. So I'm going to go into all the videos that I've made and go along. And here's my music recording of me playing guitar before. So I'm going to want to share this video with my class and my teacher. So I can push the share button on the bottom left down here. And then I'm going to want to select the Teams app. Now if your Teams app isn't here, just scroll along to the right and you can click more and then select it in the suggestions down there. So I'm going to go and push Teams. It'll prepare my video and now it's ready to be sent to Teams. Now I just need to do one last thing, and that is select where it's going to Teams. So if I push select, I can either send it to individual people, but I don't want to do that. I want to share it to my class's music channel. So I could either type in band, and then it'll come up with the band channel that I'm in, or it'll come up with, if I type in music, it'll come up with all the music channels that I'm in there. So I select my channel, and you should only be able to see channels that you're a member of. So you don't need to worry about accidentally sending it to somewhere where you're not already a member. And once you've done that, I'll go ahead and send it to, let's say, Division 4 band. And I can write a message. Hi, here's my performance of song number 35. Okay, now once my message is written down there, I can go ahead and click send here. Now this may take a considerable amount of time, so you may actually want to put your phone down and go and do a little bit more schoolwork, maybe from a different subject, or continue practicing, because this could take between 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how fast your internet connection is. Now, maybe you don't feel comfortable sharing video, and that's okay. You can just share an audio file, and this will also be a little bit quicker and easier to upload as well, because it'll be a much smaller file. I'll show you how to do that now. So on an iPhone, you could just use this app which is in utilities called Voice Memos. Or if you're on an Android, you can choose any audio recording app you like. And then after you've made your music recording with this app, then you're probably gonna push the 3 dots by the side here, and then that's gonna be your options button, which you can then share. And you'll be doing exactly the same way as before with a video that was on your phone. Just scroll along, select Teams, and then select the channel that you're going to be sharing it to on your Teams, and then write your message there as well. Now, the third way of sharing files is using your OneDrive account. So you can download the OneDrive app in the same way that we got the Teams app before from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once it's downloaded, you can click on it, And then you need to sign in using your school email and password, same as before. And once you're signed in, you'll see all the files that you've uploaded to your OneDrive. So, we want to then find our video that we made on this phone, and we can do that by hitting the plus button and then push the upload button. And we'll select photos and videos and then go to recents, and then we can see here is our music recording. Now if you have a few music recordings and you want to make sure it's the right one, you can hold down that video, and then it'll make it a little bit larger, and you can watch your video just to make sure that it's exactly the right one that you want to share. And then after that you can go back to recents, push it once to select it, and then we want to hit done right at the top here. Now this is uploading to our OneDrive now, and this might take quite a while. If you want to see how it's coming along, you can push the uploading file down the bottom there, and it'll show you along this bar how quickly it's uploading. So I've just come back, and 10 minutes later my video is done. So I can go ahead and click done here. And then I want to go and find my video. It looks like it's there, so I can push these 3 dots there, and then I can go share. So I can either share this just to one person. So if I type in my teacher's name by going D. McKim, it'll search the database. And then if I push that, then it means that I just share this video with me. If I want to share this video with the whole class on our class's Teams channel, then I push this options button on the side, and then I want to go down to open in another app. And then it's going to download the video from your OneDrive, which might take a little while, probably a little quicker than the upload. And once that's done, it's the same as before. You go along, select the Teams app, and then select the channel that you want to share it to. So perhaps Division 6 music. And then you would just go ahead and click send there after you've written your message to the class. The last way I'll show you how to upload and share files is by using a laptop. So firstly, you should unlock your phone and then put in the usual charging cord that you use to charge your phone. And then you're going to put it into your laptop or your MacBook. So we've now got the video that we want to share on our desktop. So I'm going to go and label that music performance. And then I'm going to go into my web browser down here, and you would sign into your OneDrive in the usual way using your school email and password. And then we are going to drag and drop our music performance video into our OneDrive. And we can see that this item is uploading up here. So our upload is all finished now, as we can see. So we can go ahead and close that. And we can see that it is indeed in all of our documents and files that are in our OneDrive. So we now want to share this, so we can go ahead and click this share icon. And then you can either share it to a specific person, like your teacher, or if you would like to share it to your Teams account, well then you'll need to log into Teams. So we'll go and do that now. And now that we're into our Teams on the web browser, we're going to go and find the channel that we belong to. So this will be our classes channel, so perhaps let's do Division 7 today. And then we're going to go along and find our music or our band channel. And then all we need to do is click on this attach button. And then we've got two choices. We can either go to our OneDrive account, and then you can see that our music performance is up here. So we can click on that and then click upload copy. Now the other way we can do it, if you don't want to upload every single document that you're sharing to OneDrive first, is you can go attach and then go upload from my computer. And then you need to find your video. So I usually just put it on the desktop, so it's nice and easy to find. So there it is, music performance. Always label your files because things can get pretty confusing pretty quickly if you don't. And you just select your file that you want to upload, this music performance, and then click open. So it'll put this file down there, or it'll put the OneDrive link down there, and then you can write your message down here, and then all you need to do is click the airplane send button. And that's it.